Okay, so now we've created our blank problem and put it in our homework. So if you actually were to click into it, you'd see we have one question and it does nothing. Okay, good for us. All right, so then what we're going to do now, we're going to go back to the questions in that assignment by clicking the gear. And then in here, now you'll notice because you were the author of this question, you can now click Action, Edit Code. If somebody else had written the code, you would not be able to do anything. Now, if you want to let others help you or others edit the code, then what you could do is change the use rights from allow use by all. You could make it to allow modifications by all. And then that way, everybody who sees this problem can go in there and edit it. So if you're all working on it as a team, you could do that. But just make sure you change it back to all you allow use by all when you're done. Otherwise, people can go in who you don't want being able to edit your problem and at a later date, and they can mess around with it. Now, okay, so here we go. We're in our problem writing. Now, the question type, we'll worry about this later, but there's lots of different types. Right now, we're going to leave that alone. What we're going to do is worry about the two big boxes. The first box, this is where all your code happens. This is called common control. This is where code occurs. Down here, question text is what you make display on the screen. So, and you can actually toggle the editor to make it look a lot like, you were typing in a Word document. So if some people are going to feel more comfortable in this format where you could say, okay, I want this, let's say, find the limit, colon. Right, and that would just be it. So if I go back, you'll notice they put little paragraph tags around it, that's what little P stands for. Doesn't really matter because the editor will take care of that for you. So you can go into the screen, do it that way. Now, if I do quick save and preview, you'll notice it now says at the top, find the limit. Perfect. Okay, so that's how you make something appear on the screen. Now, how do you define a variable? We'll do that in the next